tutorial on how to remove the drum cylinders for all 99 to 2004, I think, on a Galant, Mitsubishi Galant. Alright, the easiest way to do it, to take this out without taking all this, is you open this as much as you can. Just open it up all the way until these two are separating, and you can just play around. Now the hard part right here is removing these holes, right? This brake line. When I try to remove it with a 10mm, as soon as I turn it, it's stripped out. So I was like, oh man. So what you need is some pliers like this, locking pliers. Alright, and you just put them right there, just set them up right there, and just tighten it as much as you can, and then you just hit it. Just hit it with your hand. You can hit it with your hammer. You hit it that way, and that will break it loose. And for these two 10mm, I didn't have no trouble with them, so they came out loose easily. Or if you have a problem removing the bleeder thing right here, you can do the same things with these pliers. If you strip it, you don't have to really go buy a new brake line for it. You just, as long as you break it loose, and then when you put it back, tighten it with your hand, then turn it with these, and then give it one good turn with some force, and like with your hand, like, or with a hammer, but not too much, and that will get it tight again. So that's it. Thanks for watching.